How to create a Western Union account. So here I am on westernunion.com, and what you need to do is just click register. Now just type in your email address and then create your password. After you've done that, click register. Now here you can either validate your phone number or verify with your email address. I'm gonna verify with my email. I'm gonna request code, and now just open up another tab. So here it is. The code, let me just copy paste it. There you go, and let's submit. And there you go, there's your account. Let's say you want to send money online. Here you just click and choose a country where you're going to be sending money to. Now you have two options here. You can either pay online, here are all of the fees, or you can pay cash in store. So for this you're going to need to go into a physical Western Union and pay it. Now let's say if we have the money in our account, we can do it through Apple Pay. And now simply just type in the details of the receiver. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.